Y'all be wildin', he ain't bout it. Doing all that talking, but you strap ain't talk nobody. You ain't scaring nobody. I'm a boss, don't do no follow when you say.
Yes sir, got this in. I don't know if y'all seen in my last video, but he didn't even have this. So we got that situated. Now mind you, this is a whole nother day. So yeah, I mean, yeah, it's a whole nother day. So I don't know if I really explained everything I was doing, but I'm putting in a center console. I'm gonna unbox that, and I'm putting the gauge on here because for some reason this did not want to work with the stock gauge. I had to put an aftermarket sensor in there because we had to get some new heads, and the guy actually sent me the opposite side head without my, you know what I'm saying, I ain't really know. So I couldn't even take the thing out because it was stripped already. They got a plug on the side where the sensor don't go, which is on the passenger side. So that head is also, you know, the passenger side head, and that was the new one. But this is the aftermarket sensor. I got it plugged in right there. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna run this wire into the cabin and hook it up to the other gauge. You feel me? So let go. So we're gonna start by unboxing this. So he actually want these to be hooked up to his go to holster. You feel me? This is gonna be digital. So let's go. Yes sir. I thought it was digital, it's not. Feel me? I already know I'm gonna get the power from. You know I'm gonna get the power from this switch for the parking light, you feel me? So that's gonna be easy. Fuel box, the fuse box right here, so that's where I'm gonna get the turn on power from. Alright, so the best place I seen to run this wire, it's not really gonna be through the fender, but it's kinda gonna be through the door. I'm gonna just have to show y'all how it's gonna be. So boom. You wanna take the screws out of there. Feel me, got two screws right here. Some got a T-top, some got a convertible, but I'm pretty sure if you got the regular roof, then you will be able to just pull it out. It's wild. So, bro, I'm gonna go on and put it on, cause bro already done ordered the part, you feel me? So, yeah. But this really for the year of my car. But it said it was from 94 to 2002, which is weird. But we gonna make it happen. Like that, you feel me? After you take these two screws out. Alright, so I don't know if y'all can see it. That's why I marked my line at. And this gonna sit right here. I don't know how I'm finna do this. Cause they legit kinda sent me the wrong one. Alright, got them in. I don't know if y'all can see. Feel me? It's on there. So now I got to drill the hole for the wire inside here. Yeah, we're gonna mount everything up. Alright, so got this button back up. You feel me? And the wire now coming off on the side. You feel me? Right here. Now, before you hook up anything, you want to find you a red wire. It can either be constant or on the switch, but I recommend putting the red wire on the switch, so when the key turn on, then the gauge turn on, just like everything else basically. The yellow, you can either have that with the switch or you can have it with your parking lights. Like it's not really, you know what I'm saying, work. You want to check first. You feel me? Boom. then we're gonna go from there. What's going on, man? Hey, this is a whole nother video, as y'all can see. I've been at this for about 3 or 4 days trying to see what I'm gonna do, but we finna hop right on into it. Where my boy ended up getting a B&M Shifter, as y'all see. It's a race shifter. Now I had to fab this to fit. See, I got a base plate in there. I don't want to remove this because it was kind of ass to get it in, but it's only 4 bolts holding in. So you got 1 bolt in here. Now open this, you got 2. You feel me? Then you got 1 right here. If I ain't mistaken, the bolt go right there. So what I did, I made a template. Okay, there we go. So I got this from Lowe's. I think I paid $15.93 for after tax. So what I did, I made a template of the old one. I put this right here. You feel me? Is this bit 4? Yeah. So that bit got a little lean to it. So what I did, I put this right here, line up right, boom. And I, as you see, these is the factory location holes right here. Then, where you see this X and this dot, so the X is right here, and the dot, that's the holes of the other one. I mean, everything's self-explanatory, but for the people that really don't want to cut into nothing or drill into none, this right here gonna be your best friend. So I got my my other plate, you feel me? You know, I put this right here and I just marked it up with this. So I really set it on top just like this, but you got to have that end off. As y'all see, this one was a little short, but the other one is just right. So of course I drilled, you know, marked it, cinched it down. That's not interfere. Yeah, that's how I'm doing it. That's how I'm doing it. Just mock up. Finally got that thing in. Yes, sir. I gotta put one in my car now, my boy. So I'm gonna have to go over everything in the morning. So my last thing is getting this situated onto these and good to go. Yeah. Down with screws in the factory location. And that's how I got that. You feel me? So one part. So that's how I got that in with the factory holes. Okay, so now I'm fabbing up. Y'all know if y'all got the, I want to say it's 94 to 96 or it's 94 to 98 or 97. I don't know the years, but the ones that just got this right here. So as y'all see, I already got my lines. I had to cut this middle part out. Had to do some fabbing right here. Now all of this gonna be hidden. You feel me? So what I'm doing is putting everything basically back. Oh, I got that backwards. I'm basically putting everything back how it was. You feel me? Now y'all see that? So I'm gonna cover all this up. Dang. Man, they're hard to work and vlog. So damn, bro. Well, I'm gonna take that off later. But I got this knob on so I can check the clearance when I, you know what I'm saying, do my bump shift. See how that just popped up? See how that's touching? That made that pop up like this. So I'm gonna have to file this down so when I'm able to, hold up. When I'm able to bump it like that, it don't just pop up. So I'm finna do that real quick. Alright, so as y'all see, I took all of this off because I had to get these switches right. Now, if y'all looking for a more what's the word, secure way, y'all don't have to do it this way, but the color method is still the same. Now the bottom is going to always be the neutral safety switch, and the top is going to always be the reverse light switch. Now for the F-body Camaros, it's going to be in this orientation. So the two thickest wires, that's going to be wired to the neutral safety switch, and the two middle wires is going to be for the brake light. So I'm guessing the orange and the black is just not going to be on there, you know. Now correct me if I'm wrong. If anybody did this, I mean, if y'all wired up the black and the orange wire, please leave a comment so I can, you know what I'm saying, know. But the B&M didn't really have the old I can't even explain it, but the B&M old video I had watched when they was wiring up to a 3rd gen Camaro, they did it just like this. You get what I'm saying? But I think they cut the wire. See, I got these pushed in like this. I don't know, I'm still undecided on me cutting the wire, because I don't know if he's gonna go back with the old shifter. So from the meantime, I'm probably just gonna push these all the way in so it don't be exposed, and you know, go from there. You'll want to turn on the parking to test this out. You feel me? It's not really in second, it's in park, but I don't got the cable hooked up. You gonna hook the cable up right here, and I'm finna do that. All right, finally put the side on. 2 screws. I don't know what that had going on. These screws so small, I could have sworn I had that, but this a hole real nice. Now we're talking about this, so to test that, feel me? Alright, so we're finna go on and throw everything back together, and we're finna see how it's finished product. I don't know what this boot got going on, bro, but it make this part right here look ugly, you feel me? What this guy is supposed to be like that, but I guess the glue they put on was just boo-boo, you feel me? But yeah, this is the product. Look factory, look like it's supposed to be there a little bit, you feel me? Oh, hold on. Yeah, it had to. You feel me? It's so tight. You feel me? Sometimes that shit not even really that accurate. It's not this, it's the cable. You know what I'm saying? Then you did I bump it? Yep. There you go. Now I'm in there. So that's 2. Ooh, 3. You know what I'm saying? Drive. Then it go to neutral. Now the thing is, you can't go. You got to bump back down the drive, then shift it into park. You feel me? But yeah, man, we're gonna do a test drive tomorrow, depending on how the car acting, because he needs some other stuff. But you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna wrap up the video, man. Y'all tune in for more stuff. I appreciate y'all for tuning in too, man. Leave a like, comment, and share, man. Oh, and for the new people, please subscribe. I got a lot more content on the way. I'm out.
Money, I came hungry, starving, violent for the come on. Crank it up, it's like boom. It's my new CEO.